Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 25 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman. This is from our friends over at Fanhome. So if you'd like to build one of these alongside me, head over to their website by clicking this link all the way along there. Pop. It's also in the description below. Over there and take out a subscription, folks. You will not be disappointed. Right, what we got today, we'll have a quick scoot through the magazine. There's Cesar Romero doing his bit as the Joker. Like being caught in a barrel of snakes, it says there. This the one where Batman and Robin are trapped in a tall chimney. Yes. Dark Victory there from the Batman comics. A game of Hangman. Batman 61 there. Still 10 cents, it says there. I swear blind I've got that. That looks so familiar, that cover. Yeah. Got me thinking now. Yeah, some more there from the Detective Comics. Clayface. And this is the car parts we got today there. We got the hubs, we got the back caps and things like that. So that's what we've got, which is just here. Pack 25, that's what you got. So we'll put them to one side. We'll get that all assembled. And then we've got our instructions here at the back there with the tube. Similar to what we've done before there. Put it on the pins, screw it to the wheel, whack the spacer in, and we'll end up with a pair of wheels then on the chassis. So that's what we're going to end up with at the end of today's episode. You'll have your Batmobile on your bench, just like I've got. Let's cut the bits apart, get them all out of their packaging. We could start a bit of assembly, folks. Now we can put that tube on there then. Like that. Okay, so that's what we want with that. We want to get our wheel hub, put that on there like so, and we want a couple of the AM screws for that. So we'll have them, we'll put a bit of oil on them. Like that. And we'll pop the screw in there. It's going into die cast, folks, okay? Grab another one. Just like so. Send that screw home as well. Just like that. There you go. So that's that in situ. We're then going to pop that on the chassis. So let's grab that and bring that into play, which is just here. Okay. So we're going to do the same as we did last time and put it on them pegs. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on there just to see whether we can get it just to stick and hold in place whilst I put that hub on. Okay. So we got the same process as we had before, large and small. Try and do it so that you can see what I'm doing, which is that. And then we want to rotate that on there. Like that. Press that there. In place on that hub. Just like that. Okay. We then want to put a spacer on the wheel. Like so. And then we'll put a bit of oil on that ready so that when we mount the wheel, that's got a bit of oil going into that axle. So we'll rest that there and then grab our wheel, bring that in place, and then we can screw that on the axle. Just in. just so that that wheel spins, just like that. Okay, let's just move them out of the way. We can then bring that hubcap in, like that. Click that together. Just a press fit, folks, just presses in the end there, like so. And then that sit just in the hubcap like that. Oh, in it, eh? So you've got a pair of wheels now on the front. That's what you're going to end up with, folks, at the end of this issue. You're going to have almost like a rolling front chassis section. Okay? So that's where we're going to leave it today. Massive, massive thank you for watching, folks. Don't forget, if you want one of these, click the link below in the description, this one here. Head over to D'Agostini's website and take out a subscription for this wonderful Partwork. You will not be disappointed, folks. I can promise you. Okay? So until the next time, stay safe and well. Remember, click that little festa. Subscribe to my channel. Really helps me grow. Bye-bye for now.